Hey guys, it's Lindsay. This is going to be a special video. I decided I would give you guys just a little peek in my room with all my sports, basically crap, that is useless but we love to buy anyway. So I'm just going to show you guys a little bit of it. And okay, right here is my Angels growth chart. You see Figgins, 5'8", Weaver, 6'7". Yeah, the wood stuff is too hard where it's supposed to be, so it's kind of off, so that's not real height. But right here, my brother bought it, but he never put it up. But it's an Alex Rodriguez poster with Derek Jeter. And unlike most people, I still like A-Rod. Right here, I just have a little Angels Drive thing. And my friend actually gave this to me. I guess one of those free things they can give to you if you sign up or whatever to that stuff. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, for my birthday, I got a present in that bag, which is cool. Yeah, and I also did cross country, so in case you want to see, ooh, look at all those beautiful medals. Right there is probably my favorite Angels pennant. It's simple, but I think it's pretty cool looking. One of my tickets, my Laker pennant. They were the 2009 champions. Let me hear you. Woo! Yeah, all you Laker haters, take that. This is my framed Nick Adenhart magazine. It was a special one at the Angels field, and I decided to frame it. This was free, one of the games I went to. It's a Howie Kendrick lunchbox. And I figured I'm never going to use it, so I might as well hang it up for decoration. Right here we have the Angels 2002 World Champion pennant. Just decorating more. Here we have a whole bunch of my tickets. I'll have to put mine from today up there soon. There I just have a nice little keychain. There I have some stickers hanging out. There's my medal from some sort of tournament. Now, I also got creative, and all my old calendars, I ripped them up, and now I have beautiful pictures. Oh, and there's my #1 fan, Angels license plate. Right there, Santana, who sucks, but I think next year by then he'll get it. Sounders. Okay, let's keep moving. Oh, here is $1. Yes, see, in case you can't see, that's Dwayne Howard. Yeah, me and this guy kind of made a bet who would win. I think it was game 4 or 5. I can't remember. And I said Lakers would win. He said Orlando would win. And he was right. So I had to give him $1. And there's a picture of Kobe Bryant back there. And then we made the bet again. And then the Lakers won. So he decided to put a picture of Dwayne Howard owned next to it. Doesn't make any sense considering the Lakers won. That's right. And here I have my Ducks pennant. Ducks were so close to winning this year. They did better than everyone expected, though. Right there, my #1 fans, Ducks license plate. The license plate I really like, actually. Angels clock, it was free. There's a Broncos hat. Just a nice little decorative purse. Angels Way, and my Broncos cab. What are they called? License plates. Some more pictures, and a calendar for this year. Yeah. So isn't it beautiful? So I probably bored you, or you. Oh, there's one more thing actually. This is my 2002, the magical, can't really see it because of the light, magical comeback, Game 6, October 26, 2002, frame little picture, and it shows the field, and there's little Scott Speezy. Oh, no, it's not. But still, this is the game when we were down 5 runs in the 7th, and everyone thought Giants were going to take it, and we won. And then we won the game 7, and then we were the 2002 World Champions. Yes. And this is going to be our year. I can feel it. So, hopefully I didn't bore you. But I probably did. But I hope you enjoyed it. And I will see you guys later.